Welcome to day 2 of Giftmas. Today we have a high-low type of gift for you. I am kind of downsizing my collection and giving away some of the handbags that I have in my collection. Today I have a Coach bag. It's in a patent leather. There are some marks on it. You will see a mark right here and a mark right here. Honestly, when I carried it, they aren't very noticeable, but I did have a scarf kind of on it to kind of mask it. There's some marks over here as well. But I'm going to tell you that I think that it's not... It looks kind of just like it's part of the character of the bag. So I think it's actually quite a nice striation of the coloring. So I don't think it's anything that's going to hinder using the bag. Personally, it is a patent leather. It's a lovely shiny leather. There is a strap inside the bag that will come with it, that will come with this dust bag here. And it's just for you. I may throw in, I had purchased a cherries charm to go with it. I might throw that in as well because I don't think I'll have a use for it. It does have its tag as well. I just noticed I had that on the back of it. So that's one whole set. And then you will also get the Chanel Amplified Gaze makeup set, which is this year's holiday collection. It comes with a quad and a mascara, and I think this is a really lovely packaging that comes with it. So this is the set that you will get for Giftmas Day 2. Today, the way to enter is to enter a comment down below. The comment will be every day. I started my day chatting with you and I talked about my beverage and the beverage was in a container. I'm being elusive because I want you to be creative with finding the response. So if you can, tell me what that container was. And if you have an emoji that can represent it, do that as well. So there was something I shared with you almost every day. And tell me what that was down below. And the rules and everything will be scrolling on the screen here shortly. Again, USA addresses only for these giveaways. Can't ship outside of the US at this point, and all the rules and everything will be on the screen. This will be open through January 4th, giveaway on January 5th. I'll be pulling the names, and you'll have a week to get back to me once I message you on that. So this is Giftmas Day 2, Coach and Chanel.